Hi, this is my report on Sanfilippo syndrome, which is also called mucopolysaccharidosis, or MPS 3. There are 4 types of MPS, of Sanfilippo syndrome. That's A, B, C, and D. They do recently believe that they have found a type E. And muco stands for the jelly-like consistency of the cells. Poly is many. And saccharides are long chains of sugar. So mucopolysaccharidosis is a disorder where the children lack an enzyme that breaks down the long chains of sugar. In type A, which is what I'm going to talk about today, in Sanfilippo A or MPS 3A, they lack the enzyme heparin N sulfatase. And because they lack this enzyme, they cannot break down these long chains of sugar, or GAGs, and as these GAGs build up in their system, it causes neurological damage. According to the National Institute of Health, researchers don't know why Sanfilippo syndrome and the buildup of these GAGs cause almost all neurological development damage. It is the only mucopolysaccharide disease that is all neurological. It is a lysosomal storage disorder, and again it's buildup of these lysosomes because they can't break down, and because they can't break down those, the buildup of those GAGs in the lysosomes make it to where they can't break down other proteins as well, and all of this builds up in their bodies. It is a rare disorder, 1 in 10,000 births, and it is a terminal disorder. Average life expectancy is between 12 and 14, although it's almost more like a spectrum than it is a definite between 12 and 14. I've known some children who are in their 30s with this disorder. Very rare, but it does happen. Some of the symptoms that get you to be first diagnosed are hyperactivity. A lot of times kids will actually display autism symptoms, but then they start to decline, and that's when you know it's not autism. A lot of times they're never potty trained, and they have coarse hair, diarrhea, enlarged liver and spleen because of those buildup of GAGs. At this time, there is no cure. There are treatments being researched, and one of those is gene therapy, and they are doing that at the Children's Hospital in Columbus, Ohio, and there have been 2 studies for enzyme replacement therapy trying to get the enzyme across the blood-brain barrier is the hardest thing. So I want to thank you.